What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness. I got another first delivery today. And who from? Traxxas. We got the new MAXX truck. I know everybody is looking to get their hands on this truck. Brand new mini version of the MAXX. Just announced it a few days ago and just arrived this morning. Had to run over here to get you guys an unboxing video. The truck looks sweet. I don't know anything about it other than I just watched a couple demo videos about it. Pretty much the same thing you guys probably seen. This is the first time I'm opening up one and gonna kind of go through it a little bit, see what's the same as the MAXX, what they changed. Obviously it's different parts because it's so much smaller, but I am noticing these shocks on the box here. They look big just like the MAXX. So we're gonna pop it open for you guys, go into a little in depth what it looks like, try to do a little bit of running. I am looking for a new winter bash truck. I usually get a different truck every year. Last year I had the UDR, year before we were using the MAXX. So I think I'm gonna give this guy a try. I was gonna go with the Rustler 4-wheel drive just for fun, but then they just released this, so we'll see how good it is. But I don't wanna hold you guys up anymore. We're gonna go ahead and crack the box open. And then I'll take you guys off the stand and we'll get a close look. So quickly going over the box because everything is new here. We got the front, just your generic front of the Traxxas box. We got 4S, 55, 16 volts, 4-wheel drive, Traxxas. Your typical front view box from Traxxas. Backside, we just got the truck in another color, orange and blue. Yeah, that's the color we ended up with. They are coming out with 3 colors, so I'll show you guys here. We got red, blue, blue and gray, and then blue and orange, which we got blue and orange there. Your typical Traxxas battery chart with the speeds. I'm gonna flip it up on the other side of the box here. Obviously, it's gonna be waterproof. It's Traxxas, clipless body. It's got the self-righting feature, which I'm still not 100% sold on. It kind of beats up the truck, but it does have it. And then we do have all new electronics for this one. 4S speed control and motor. Looks like they got a whole different fan, case, and shroud. So we'll check those out, see how they hold up. Looking just like a scaled down version of the MAXX one, which is to be expected. Let's see if we got anything going on the bottom. Yeah, we do. So we have a under the body picture of the truck, a little bit of details about the speed control, the TQ remote. Everybody's pretty familiar with those, Bluetooth and whatnot. There's a truck. We'll get a little more. We're obviously going to open it up, so we won't spend too much time there. Shocks, tires, big diffs. It's got the big servo. I believe it's the same one coming in the MAXX 2090. Not 100% sure there, but it does look pretty familiar. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it open. I'm gonna open it up and then I'll get you guys in close for a chassis look. I'm pretty excited about this truck, if you couldn't tell. Once I saw the video, I was like, yeah, that's gonna be the one I'm gonna rip this winter. I was almost between getting another UDR, because I did enjoy that truck, or trying to modify a Rustler 4x4. I like that truck too. It's a little smaller, but they're fun. And Arma's also got a new truck coming out, which might be pretty cool. Their 7th scale truck, sort of competing with the UDR, it's just not solid axle. But I'm sure we'll get a first delivery on that too. If you're watching Arma, send me one. All right, pull up the truck here, set him aside. Let's see, we got your typical Traxxas stuff here. We got a couple wrenches, Allen driver. Not sure what these are. It looks like maybe a different battery tray, maybe for a different size or voltage battery. Looks like it's got instructions in there. We'll pop it open and take a look real quick. If you guys are curious, definitely looks like a small battery clip. Check it out, see, peek these real quick. You guys have any questions? Battery spacer, so that's all it is. Proper fitment of a 5000 4-cell. and a part number for Traxxas. So I'm guessing that they're gonna have a new battery for this truck. I don't know, they might have already had the 5000 out, but I've only ever seen the 6700 4 cells. Anyway, get to the radio. Just probably your typical Traxxas radio. And we just got your typical Traxxas radio. A little bit of styrofoam on it. Just regular TQI. It's a little bit nicer than the TQ model. Gives you the ability to put Bluetooth in it. I'm not sure if the truck has the sensors in it or not already. I know some of them do, but we'll check that out when we pop the lid off of here. So I'm gonna set that stuff aside. Bring the truck in. Right off the bat, we got the truck. Noticing we got a light bar right here too. I didn't know about that. That's pretty sweet. Lights pre-installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys off the tripod so we can get a close look at the truck. Guys, we're back. We got the truck out of the box. We got the orange and blue scheme. Trust me, the camera's not doing it any justice. It's very bright. It's a very fluorescent blue and orange. Orange is crazy. If you guys have ever seen any of Traxxas's trucks in orange before, you know what I'm talking about. So we got these blue wheel inserts here, a couple of the orange shocks to complement the body, so that's pretty cool. Just do a quick 360 of the truck here. You got the small versions of the MAXX tire. I feel like a pretty solid compound. I'm not sure what size hex we're coming with. I don't know if I'll be able to tell from the back side. No, I'm not sure. We got a wheelie bar. We got a rear light bar. The body is the clipless design, just like the MAXX. It looks basically just like an MAXX, just scaled down. Arms look the same. The shocks look the same, just shrunk down. Still a beefy shock. Way bigger than any of the GTR ones. Feels great. We'll get that body, take a body off everybody wants to see. Slide it out. It's got the cage in it. Looks like they gave you some nice larger washers on the body here, so they learned a little bit from the MAXX. So we got the truck itself. Lean it up here. So there's the new Valenian motor for this truck and speed control. Taking 4S, VXL 4S, waterproof. We got the lights pre-installed, which is pretty sweet. The servo does look the same size as the MAXX one. I don't think it is the same one, but it mounts the same way with the 2 ears, the same kind of linkage. That's pretty cool. Hopefully they come out with a upgraded Metal Gear version, because we know we like changing out stock servos. Drivetrain is pretty hidden underneath there, so I'm not really sure what's going on in the drivetrain. Check that out. Got one battery on this side. Does not have 2, so taking 1 4-cell. There's those shocks, threaded aluminum shocks. Got they are plastic drive shafts. They look pretty solid. They're definitely bigger than anything on the 10 scale, other 10 scale trucks like the Stampede and stuff. It's closer to more of a T-Max size axle. Front light bar, bumpers, looking the same as the MAXX, same chassis look. Suspension feels pretty awesome. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and charge a battery up for this guy. And see if we can bring it outside and see what it's about. Truck looks sweet. It's good size. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Wait for more videos on this truck and more first delivery truck unboxing. Thanks for watching.